Yeah, so hello. I want to welcome you to my channel. I'm actually new to this, but I know it's going to get better. I want to say and teach us more about Forex trading. A lot of us have seen a lot of people talking about Forex online,
A lot of people talking about Forex online. A lot of people talking about Forex online.
the do's and don'ts of Forex. Some people come here and make it look like, oh, Forex is so difficult, so this, so that. Some people still come here and make you feel like, oh, Forex is so easy. Once you just get in and tomorrow, boom, you're a billionaire. Uh, I'm here to let us know the truth about Forex. Forex is it's not a get rich quick scheme. In case that's what you're thinking, I've been into this for the past 5 years at least. Yes, 5 years since 2020, and I can tell you I've gotten some experience about Forex that I want to share with us, and I want us to pay close attention to it and understand it very well. Because Forex is not exactly what we think. It's just like going to the market. When you wake up in the morning and you say, oh, I'm going to the supermarket to get some items you're going to buy. You can still wake up and say, oh, I own a supermarket. I'm going there. I'm going to sell. This is exactly what Forex is all about. It's a market where you have different items you buy or sell. Forex is basically buying and selling. Basically buying and selling. You buy at the right time, you sell at the right time. You buy, you buy, you sell, up and down. Depends on what you're buying and what you're selling. You just need to take your time and you know learn about it more. Learn about what you're trading on. Take your time to trade a particular forex currency or crypto or metal, whatever you're trading, be it oil, crude. I'll just advise you, when you get started properly, you just select a couple of you know currencies or cryptos. Don't waste your time involving in all of them. There you try to be jack of all trade and master of none. Just like saying you want to sell rice at the same time you're selling cement, at the same time you're selling a cake, you are a musician at the same. No, you just concentrate on one, take your time, study that one, know more about it. You know, that's what Forex is all about. So as we go on, um, I'll show you what you need to do to be a good trader, to be a successful trader. But get the basics. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. If you have that mindset, then you are in the wrong place. Yes, you are in the wrong place. It's not about getting rich quick. It's just like your normal trader in the markets. You're not going to open your store today, your market today, and say, at the end of today, I'm buying a Lamborghini. No, it takes lots of time. It takes hard work. It takes consistency. It takes discipline. You know, to be a good trader. They might not tell you this, but in reality, there are sometimes you might come across losses. But losses doesn't mean you're a bad trader. There are many things that can influence the market, which you need to know as a trader. You need to know, uh, excuse me, you need to know what kind of trader you want to be. Are you going to be a day trader? You trade daily, or you want to be an investor? Over a long period of time, you hold on to a particular trade. It all depends on you. So all those things are what we are going to be learning as we go by. Like I said, I've been trading for about 5 years, and I've made some mistakes I would not want you to make. I've learned from my mistakes, I've made some mistakes, and I've picked up. And today I can say I am a better trader than I was some years back. So I'm here to guide you through those steps that I have taken so that you do not make the same mistake that I have made in the past. You know, I'll teach us what to do, when to buy, when to sell, what's the best time to buy, how to buy. In fact, the nitty gritty of trading, cutting off those long, big talks, those charts, lines, and everything you see, those things. Uh, to me, from my experience, they don't really count. You know, they just make you feel, when they want to, collect money from you. All these people that come online and say Forex is difficult. They want to make you feel like it's difficult. So they will come with all those chat lines everywhere, and then when you see it, you're so confused. And I'll say, "Oh no, this I can't do this. Okay, take my money and trade, or do this and do this." And then at the end of the day, you hear stories. You can trade for yourself and make your money by yourself. Yes, you can. You can do that. Just be disciplined. Have that contentment. Don't be greedy, because that's the biggest mistakes you're going to make as a trader. You might get greedy. Some days the trades are so favorable, and then you're staying in. You've taken a position, and then it's going fine, smooth. Everything is going on. At the end of the day, anything can happen. The news can come in. Anything can happen, and boom, all those profits you've made, they are gone. They're gone. You start afresh. You go bring money from elsewhere. You put in, and then you start all over again. And then the process continues. You make some money, you lose them all. Go outside again, you bring some money. Sometimes you don't even get to withdraw. You just go around, round and round and round and round. You don't even get to withdraw your money. And then you keep going outside and bringing in money, funding your accounts, blowing up your account. So uh, I'm here to teach you those things you need to know. I'm Kobe. My name is Kobe. So a forex trader. At least 5 years experience trading forex. So as the days go by, we'll learn more about forex trading. We'll know more about the details of forex trading. Know the basics. The basics are what we need. Then along the line, you keep improving yourself. Our advice: you read books. Read books. Practice your demo. For those that have experience about it, for those that already know some things about it, and if you're entirely new to forex, you just have to be patient and follow this page. As the days goes by, you know what to do as a beginner. Yes, as a beginner, it's not difficult. Let me be sincere with you. It's not difficult starting up forex. You just need to know what to do. Get a broker, register with a broker, and then it's just in 5 minutes you're already in the forex business. So it's not so cumbersome as some people make you believe. In 5 minutes you can be in already, and then you're there making your money. You understand? Everywhere is so difficult now. So this is not the time to throw away money. This is the time to make money. Yo, you can start as low as $10. Though you should know, if you start, it's just like every other business. The smaller your capital, the smaller your profits will be. The bigger your capital, the bigger your profits, expected profits will be. So if you're starting with $10, you're not supposed to start with $10 today, and by the end of the month, boom, you're buying a house in a banana island. It doesn't work like that. But we can build your account. With your $10, you can build your account gradually. Give yourself a time frame, a certain target. Let's say in 6 months' time, this my $10 should be able to turn it into $1,000. Is realistic. Yeah, if you're not greedy, it's a lot of money, because $10, and then even if you keep it in your bank account, there's no interest that will be given to you over 6 months that it becomes $1,000. you know, but you can trade with it, and in 6 months, I'm just using $1,000. It can be over $1,000, but let's not be greedy. It can be $1,000 in 6 months, and you can do it, and you'll be proud you did this. As long as we are patient, the $10 can build you. Maybe every day you have a target. and they say I'm building this account every day. I have targeting to make 10% of my capital, my initial capital, 20% of my initial capital, and then you roll it over. $10 for a start, and you say you're targeting 10% or 20%. At the end of the day, if you're making a 20%, that's $12 already. The next day, that should be about 14 point something dollar. And in about a week, you're heading to $20 plus. So you can see your target of making $1,000 in 6 months is very, very realistic without much risk. Yes, you have to check your risk factor because trading is risk. Trading is risk, just like your everyday. You leaving your house to your 5 to 9 job, 9 to 5 job is a risk. You could get out there and then you are struck down by a vehicle. You meet some unforeseen circumstances on the way. It's still part of the risk. But you can be inside your house and with your $10, you trade, you grow it. All you just need is your phone. You don't even need a laptop. Your phone is okay. You have an internet, and then you're good to go. In 5 minutes, you're set up as a trader with zero experience. You're already there. So I'm here to guide you. Drop your comments if you have questions you want to ask. I'll see them. I'll answer you while we go step by step every day in becoming good. I'll go along with us. We'll all go together. I'll bring an account, we'll set an account, $100 account, and then we'll grow together. I'll take you step by step. I'll hold your hand and take you step by step while we grow together. So you can ask your questions, drop your comments, then we go together. We trade together. We become successful together. It's easy for me to just come and give you $10 and say, go solve your problem. But your problems don't end. So, which is better? Let me hold your hand and let's go together with your $10 and let me teach you how to fish and make your $10, $1,000, $10,000, $1,000,000. It's very possible. Rome was not built in a day. Most of these big companies we see out there, they didn't just start up in a day. Most of them have been there for years. Today they are multinational companies, and then you want to be like them. We want to earn money like them. We want to spend money like them. We want to be on the Forbes list, but we don't want to be patient. We don't want to build trading to be a successful trader. Patience is key. Patience is key. You have to be patient. Patient to know when to enter the market, when to buy, when to sell, when to leave the market. It's very important. Leaving the market is even one of the most important attributes you need to know. You need to have when to leave. Greed. Cut your greed. If you can work on this, I trust you're going to be very, very, very successful trader. Cut your losses and make more profit. There are going to be bad days, but you should know when to leave, when to walk away, when to run, and when to hide. Thank you very much for joining my channel. Once again, my name is Kobe, the Forex trader, and I'm here to guide you along your trading success. I'm here to tell you the truth about trading. I'm not here to tell you all those lies and make you feel like you're trading today, tomorrow you're buying a Lamborghini, next tomorrow you're building a house in Banana Island or owning one in LA or California or Beverly Hills. It doesn't work like that. Though we can achieve that over a long period of time with our hard work, so and dedication, we can achieve that. Yes, we can, and we will. I'm always there for you. You can always drop your comments, ask your questions, and then I'll answer them as to my own, as much as I can, in a layman's grammar, in a layman's word. I'll answer all of them and break down trading for you. Thank you for watching. Till we'll meet again, you can drop your comments. I'll answer them. Until we meet again, where we start our fresh class from let's say from the nursery of trading. Yes, financial trading. This is my first live stream. I'm new to this, but it has never stopped anyone. It has never stopped anyone. The important thing is let's make money together. Let's make money together. So till next time, keep taking good care of yourself. We learn new things every day. Learn something new. Make good use of your time. Make good use of your data. People have data. Some people make data work for them, while some people work for data. You can make data work for you. Don't waste your data. Make money from your data. It's not just for Netflix or for watching fun things, and then at the end of the day, it's finished. You're begging somebody to share Wi-Fi with you, to share hotspot with you, when you could have made money using that hotspot or little data you have or you had before it got expired. So let's take care of ourselves until next time. Peace out.